Ți-aș spune să mergi la Chat GPT și să generezi scriptul, dar nu știu dacă e cea mai bună idee. Ți-aș.
A shortened form of,
Ți-aș vrea să.
I would want you to. It's a polite and somewhat hesitant way of suggesting something. The
Ți.
is a shortened form of,
Ție.
to you. The dative case of,
Tu.
you,
Aș.
is the first person singular conditional of,
A avea.
to have, implying a hypothetical or polite suggestion. Pronounced roughly as,
Te-aș.
with a softer
Șe.
sound. The
I.
in
Ți.
is pronounced like the ee in see,
Spune.
means to say or to tell. It's the infinitive form of the verb, used here in the context of the conditional.
Aș spune.
Pronounced
Spune.
with a soft
E.
at the end. The
U.
is pronounced as in put,
Să.
a subjunctive particle indicating purpose or command. It translates roughly as to in this context. It signals that what follows is a dependent clause expressing the purpose or the suggestion. Pronounced.
Suh.
The sound is short and similar to the English word so,
Mergi.
means to go. It's the second person singular imperative form of
A merge.
to go. Pronounced
Mehri.
with a soft
Je.
sound similar to the s in pleasure. The
Je.
is pronounced as in the English word gem,
La.
a preposition meaning to or at. It indicates direction or location. Pronounced
La.
like the la in laser, a short and clear
Chat GPT.
a proper noun referring to the large language model, Chat GPT.
Și.
A conjunction meaning and. Pronounced
Șe.
like the she in she,
Să.
same as above. A subjunctive particle
Generezi.
means to generate. It's the second person singular subjunctive of
A genera.
to generate. This conjugation indicates a suggested action. Pronounced
Genehirezi.
with a soft
E.
at the end. The
Ge.
is as in gem, and the e in generezi is a short e.
Scriptul.
Means the script. It's the masculine singular form of the noun. Pronounced
Scriptul.
with the accent on the first syllable.
Dar.
A conjunction meaning but. Pronounced
Dar.
much like the English word dare, but shorter.
Nu.
An adverb meaning not. Pronounced
Nu.
the
U.
like the u in moon.
Știu.
Means I know. It's the first person singular present indicative of
A ști.
to know. Pronounced
Ștău.
the
I.
sound is like the ee in see.
Dacă.
A conjunction meaning if or whether. Pronounced
Dacă. E.
a contraction of
Este.
is, meaning is. Pronounced like the e in egg, a short sound.
Cea.
A demonstrative pronoun meaning the one or that one in this context, with the implication of superiority. It is part of the superlative phrase.
Cea mai bună idee.
Pronounced
Cheia. Mai.
an adverb meaning more. Here, it's part of the superlative. Pronounced
Mai. Bună.
means good. It's the feminine singular form of the adjective
Bun.
good. Pronounced
Bunuh.
with a soft
Ne. Idee.
means idea. Pronounced
Ideieh.
with stress on the first syllable. Putting it together.
Ți-aș spune să mergi la Chat GPT și să generezi scriptul, dar nu știu dacă e cea mai bună idee.
Means, I would tell you to go to Chat GPT and generate the script. But I don't know if it's the best idea. It's a hesitant suggestion. acknowledging uncertainty about the proposed action's effectiveness.